Welcome to Easy English Listening.
Look, we are here.
Rome looks very sunny.
Where is our luggage?
It is over there.
I see my bag.
Take the green one.
Is this your suitcase?
Yes, that is mine.
Now we need a taxi.
Taxi is outside door.
Let's find the driver.
The weather is warm.
I like this city.
Me too, my friend.
Let's start our trip. The traffic is crazy.
Drivers are very fast.
Look at that monument.
Rome has history everywhere.
Is our hotel far?
It is 20 minutes.
The driver speaks Italian.
I do not understand.
Just smile and nod.
He drives very well.
Look, there is river.
It is called Tiber.
This city is beautiful.
We are almost there.
Here is the hotel. Hello, we have reservation.
Welcome to beautiful Rome.
My name is Sarah.
Ah, yes, room 302.
Here are our passports.
Thank you very much.
Is breakfast included here?
Where is the elevator?
Yes, from 7 a.m.
Take the room keys.
The elevator is small.
Put the bags inside.
Our room is ready.
Let's open the door.
Wow, look outside, Sarah.
The view is amazing.
I see old rooftops.
The sky is blue.
I smell fresh coffee.
There is cafe below.
Let's go out now.
Put on your sneakers.
My shoes are comfortable.
Do you have map?
My phone map works.
Let's find some food.
I am very hungry.
Rome is waiting us.
Let's go, my love.
I want real pizza.
Look at this street.
There are many restaurants.
This one looks touristy.
Let's find hidden place.
Turn right here.
This alley is narrow.
Look at that sign.
It says Pizzeria da Leo.
Locals are eating inside.
That is a good sign.
Let's take a table.
The smell is incredible.
I am drooling now.
Sit down near window.
Hello, what can I get?
One pizza margarita, please.
And one pizza diavola.
Excellent choice, young lady.
One big water, too.
Still water
Still water, thank you.
or sparkling?
No, that is all.
Anything else for you?
The waiter is nice.
His English is good.
I like the atmosphere.
Look at the oven.
They use real wood. This crust is thin.
The cheese is perfect.
Try this piece, Alex.
Wow, it is delicious.
Here comes the diavola.
Thank you very much.
This salami is spicy.
My tongue is burning.
Drink some cold water.
Italian food is best.
Best pizza in life.
I agree with you.
I am full now.
Let's ask for bill. Waiter, the bill, please.
Here is your bill.
How much is it?
It is 30 euros.
That is very cheap.
Do they accept cards?
Yes, card is fine.
Bring the terminal, please.
Put your card here.
The payment worked.
Thank you. Goodbye, friends.
Leave a small tip.
I left 2 euros.
Now, to the Colosseum.
Let's walk off lunch. It is absolutely huge.
Look at the arches.
History is standing here.
It is very majestic.
Many people are here.
Let's take a photo.
Stand near the wall.
Move a bit right.
The sun is bright.
1, 2, 3, smile.
The photo looks great.
Let's buy the tickets.
The line is long.
We have online tickets.
Oh, I forgot that. We must scan bags.
Put your backpack here.
Take out your keys.
Is my water allowed?
Yes, water is okay.
Walk through the gate.
What was that?
Your belt buckle, sir.
Oh, let me remove it.
Try one more time.
Now it is silent.
Thank you. Go inside.
Security is very strict.
It is necessary here.
Now we are inside.
Look at the center.
Where is the floor?
The floor is gone.
I see the tunnels.
Gladiators waited down there.
That is so scary.
Animals stayed there too.
The history is cruel.
But the building survives.
How old is it?
Almost 2,000 years.
People were great builders.
Let's go upstairs now.
The stairs are steep.
Hold the handrail, Sarah.
Alex, where is camera?
It is on neck.
No, it is not.
Oh no, Sarah.
Did you leave it?
I sat on bench.
Which bench was it?
The one near stairs.
Let's run back quickly.
Don't panic. Stay calm.
Look, someone is there.
A tour guide holds it.
Go ask him, Alex.
Excuse me, my camera?
Yes, I found it.
Thank you so much.
Look at these stands.
Small statues of Colosseum.
I want a magnet.
Magnet for our fridge.
How much is this?
It is 3 euros.
I will take it.
Look at this postcard.
It has vintage style.
Let's send to Mom.
Buy a stamp, too.
Here is the cash.
Thank you, nice tourists.
It is very hot.
We need Italian ice cream.
It is called gelato.
Look at that shop.
Gelateria Romana is there.
What flavors do they have?
Pistachio, chocolate, strawberry, lemon.
I want 2 scoops.
Pistachio and dark chocolate.
I prefer lemon strawberry.
Let's pay at cash.
2 medium cones, please.
That is 6 euros.
It looks so creamy.
Let's eat it outside.
My gelato is melting.
Eat it very fast.
It tastes like heaven.
Lemon is very fresh.
Sit by this fountain.
The water looks cool.
Don't drink this water.
No, it is decorative.
Look at the statues.
Rome has beautiful fountains.
The sun is setting.
The sky turns orange.
Colosseum has lights now.
It looks very romantic.
Best day of vacation.
I am very happy.
It is getting dark.
Let's find the metro.
The station is close.
It is called Colosseum.
Buy 2 tickets, please.
Insert the coins here.
Take the paper tickets.
The train is coming.
It is very crowded.
Hold my hand tight.
Next stop is ours.
Dinner time is next.
More pasta tonight, Alex?
Yes, more pasta, Sarah.